KPIT is a global organization. We have a presence in more than 16 countries and around 36 offices and 10 development centers spread globally. So as we are focused only on the three verticals like manufacturing, energy utilities and automotive and transportation, our focus is helping us to provide a niche solutions to our customers, helping them to solve their business problems. Being a global IT company, collaboration is extremely important for the organization because we have a diverse workforce, people working from the US geography, Europe and in Asia. So to provide the best solution to our customers, we require people to interact with each other. Also, there is a huge amount of interaction required with the end customers. Being the services organization, there is a constant interaction with our end customers to help them to solve their business problems. KPIT is an early adopter of various technologies. Like in 2004, KPIT implemented into Cisco IP telephony. So at that time IP telephony was very new, and in India KPIT is the first one to implement the IP telephony across the organization. That continues with our collaboration story when in 2009 when KPIT was looking at world-class video conferencing services. We evaluated different solutions and finally decided to go ahead with Cisco Telepresence. Cisco Telepresence is not only deployed in the development centers, but actually it is rolled out across globally in all our development centers as well as our sales offices. We have a very strong relationship with Cisco for last 10 years, not only with the sales team or account management team, but even with their product development team and the Center of Excellence team. We work closely with them in understanding what is their roadmap and how it fits in the KPIT IT roadmap. That has helped us to get the maximum investment protection on the different technologies we implemented at KPIT. Earlier we used to give the hard phones to the users so that people were participating in the meetings on audio calls from the designated places. However, as we have created a flexible workplace and people can operate from any of the locations, it was important to have the phone or their extensions carry along with them wherever they go. That is how we implemented the Collaboration Edge from Cisco, that is helping us to have a soft phone or a Jabber client loaded on different devices, whether those are provided by the organization or employee owned devices. This is also helping us in our BYOD journey because people can carry their own smartphones or tablets and they have video enabled endpoint loaded on their device. Apart from the soft phone functionality, we have recently rolled out the on-premise WebEx solution. WebEx is a very powerful solution. Earlier employees were using the cloud-based solution, but from the capability perspective and the thick integration with the on-premise infrastructure, we rolled out the WebEx. WebEx client also helps people to provide the demonstration to the customer about KPIT capabilities from wherever they are. In last few years, we have invested into a lot of video endpoints. Traditionally, we used to give it only to the senior leadership team. Now we have extended to the larger senior managers. This is helping them to have video meetings with the end users. Like for example, earlier people used to conduct the performance appraisals over telephone. Now sitting at their desk using the video devices like DX350s, they can have a more productive and effective performance appraisals with their team members. So the newer endpoints like DX350 are not only the traditional phones, but these are full-fledged Android-based devices where apart from the phone functionality, people can participate into the telepresence meeting. On one touch, they can participate into the WebEx calls, and even we have loaded the virtual desktops on that, so their whole desktop is on that device. So this is helping us to even get rid of the laptops and people can use the single device with the extended bigger screen to perform their all day-to-day activities. See, the Jabber soft phone is actually a VPN-less connection, so you need not have to install any other VPN client on the smart devices. Also, the important features now we rolled out with the DX650 and the Jabber is, if you are in the office and if you are having a call from the high-end video enabled devices and you are just leaving the office, you can seamlessly transfer the same call on your Jabber client. You can pause the call and resume the call from a different device and continue with the call on your move. This investment into the different collaboration technologies has greatly helped in reducing our communication cost, travel cost. People are much more productive, and the important is, as it is a face-to-face meetings, the overall decision making in the organization, the connect with the customers, the solution selling with the customers and winning the customers' confidence in KPIT has increased drastically. This has really helped in getting a bigger business from the customers and the overall trust of the customers in KPIT and our capabilities. The overall relationship with Cisco has really paid off because based on the commitment from the Cisco management, based on the technology adoption by KPIT, has really helped in transforming the overall IT function and creating the business value focused services to our end customers.